Um, right, yeah. So as I was saying, we're gonna work together. All the members, at least who show up today and are active participants in the club, are going to work together to create some sort of project with the goal of having it published on the App Store. And later in the meeting, we're gonna actually start. We're gonna try to vote on which idea we want to do. So the logistics would be that less experienced people, or people who are newer to iOS app development, will work on mainly the stuff we've worked on during the club. So UI design, and there are videos that I posted on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, which is here. And I'll send out the PowerPoint later so you guys can find it. But newer people are gonna do UI design, or the stuff we did, and then the more experienced people will work on like more of the hard coding and the back end stuff of the project. So hopefully that'll work out well. And I wanted to also ask about how you guys want to communicate about the project. Do you guys want to use a Facebook group? Because I set something up last night. What do you guys think? Or a chat group or what? Does a Facebook group work for everybody?
Yeah, that works.
Okay. Okay. You guys, okay. All right. And then we might have a chat group depending on what happens. Okay, so now we're gonna vote on what project we're actually gonna pursue. So, the first idea I had was a gun high school utility app, and I'll explain that in a little while. So basically, yeah, I'll explain it. And then another idea would be to create a simple game, in which basically okay. I'll explain it later. I'm gonna explain everything later, but you would basically dodge enemies or like certain animation or like sprites as they're called. The object of the game would be to like dodge everything and get as high of a score as possible. And then I wanted to ask if anybody has any of their own ideas that they would like to share, because we could also vote on that right now.
Like a trivia.
A trivia game?
Question and
Right.
answer.
Okay. Yeah.
I was thinking we have like a game where like we try to catch something that's like falling, so maybe like ice cream.
Isn't that Alan's game?
Oh. Yeah, that's great.
Okay. All right. I'll add these in since I'm gonna share the PowerPoint later. Okay. Trivia game. And don't worry, we're gonna vote on this. So. Got Alan. Okay. Good. And something catch falling objects game. Okay, great. Okay, and so here's a look into my Gun High School utility app idea. So if you guys could take out your phones and go to the App Store and search up Saratoga High School in the App Store. Okay. Tell me if you guys get it. So basically in Saratoga, a few years ago in 2012, a student created an app for his high school in which he had like 5 features. He would, for one thing was he would show the schedule for each day, and so we could and he would also show how far you've progressed through the period or the current period you're in during the schedule based off the time. And so I think that could be pretty useful for students now with all the like weird schedule mishaps and like confusion.
Is it this one?
Yes, or essay. Yeah, that's right. And if you look at the screenshots, you can see the different like features. And then we can also somehow connect the gun calendar. If you go like, for example, if you go to the gun website, you can see a list of all events, and we would ideally like to connect the gun calendar or like all the events to it so that you can display them on the app. And then we would have like a planner tab maybe where you could write down any homework assignments you would have to complete based on your classes. And we also want to include a staff directory so that people can contact their teachers accordingly. And one thing that would be a little bit more ambitious would be to like have some sort of or connect Oracle articles so that they're visible in the app. So like yeah, so
So it's like a variation of the gun webpage, simplified.
That's pretty easy.
do you think that's pretty easy?
Yeah.
Oh really? Okay, well you're
Good start.
the most like experienced. Okay, yeah. And so I thought originally that this would be a pretty ambitious project, but apparently David thinks it's not too bad. And then yeah, and I talked about the Saratoga app. Yeah, that would be our first idea, and I think this would be pretty useful for gun students too. So, the second idea, which I think is a simpler idea, would be to create a game where you're dodging different sprites with your own like main character sprite. So you would create your own character, which is a sprite, and basically a sprite is just uh like an animation, or not. It's not an animation. It's like some graphic, I guess, which can represent a character. And you would have to move the character so he dodges certain enemies or objects that are flying at him. And so I came up with a few examples. Whoops. So there's one game that I used to play a lot called the Circle game. Okay. So you're basically a little circle, and you're trying to eat the smaller circles but avoid the bigger circles. And then as you eat more circles, you grow and grow.
It's not.
Oh my
it's
god.
Like the fish game.
This was such a fun game.
This is from before Agar.
I played it. Yeah, this was
This is
before
the old
Agar.
game. But it's like I remember this is like. There's some
Okay, let's see how long I can go. Oh.
Oh,
the URL?
damn. Whoa.
Yeah, the juice.
Oh shit. The funnest part of the meeting.
I think he's just gonna start playing.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Wow.
What?
What's the URL?
The what?
The URL.
URL.
The Euro?
URL.
Oh, URL. Oh, scisac.com/circle game, circle dash game. If you guys want to try that. And I'll also post
It's just already on App Store, though.
Yeah, it would be harder too. You'd have to like drag or something around, or you would like have a.
It's already on the App Store.
Oh, it doesn't have to be like this. I'm saying something like this though. And then another thing. Oops. Oh no, where's the PowerPoint? Here. Okay. This is a this is a Neopets game,
Oh, there.
Ooh.
which I used to play when I was like in elementary school. I was actually pretty good. Oh no. Okay. Advertisement. That's kind of weird.
You say pretty good. You better get a good score right now.
Well, I'm a little rusty maybe, cause.
Oh, I have another idea.
Nope.
Yeah. Okay.
So we could like sort of make like a reskin the Flappy Birds, except instead of like the bird and pipe.
Yeah,
have,
you
like,
could be branded.
rabbit, like floating through it, and then carrot ball.
Okay.
No, we can have like Mr. Michael's head, and then it's like
It's
they
really
go fit through it.
How's that sound?
Okay, and you see for each level you have to. Oh my god, I'm so bad.
Savvy.
I'm so bad. Holy.
From like
Okay, but you see that the object of the game is to just avoid the ice cream, right? You guys see that?
Yeah.
And then you get bonuses when you and you have like a certain amount of lives, and you're just it's like pretty boring in the beginning levels, and then you get like a shield, like simple stuff like that. I think it's pretty fun. Anyways. Okay. And whoops. All right. And so I know that Ethan had a few ideas. Would you like to share? So you had the catching falling objects idea.
yeah, so it's like ice cream falling down.
Okay. Oh wait. Wait, Alan, isn't that your game or something? Yeah. Okay. Catching falling objects. Yeah. And then you also had something about Flappy Bird. Okay. Flappy Bird rebranded. Okay, and then I know Sam had an idea about a trivia game. What did you think about that?
Well, I mean, I just know some of these trivia games that are popular that, I mean, they're pretty simple. It's just like, you know, like trivia, what's it called? Trivia packs.
Uh huh. Okay. All right. So okay. So I think I've given. Yeah, gun shit. Were you guys playing the circle?
What's your high score?
No, I've gotten in the 200s because once you get you get really big at a certain point, and then you just eat everything.
I got 92.
Oh, dude, that's really good. That's really good. What? Yeah, dude, that's actually a good game, but I didn't want to like copy you.
You can have it. I'm not gonna finish it.
Oh, okay. Do you want to like show everybody?
Yes. Actually, I have on my small screen.
Okay. Everybody look at David's phone.
Everybody look at David's small screen.
He has a pretty cool game. That's actually a really good idea.
Alright, so you spin circle with both sides. Yeah, start. you have evolving and match color. That's good.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And then,
Yeah, I actually really like that.
More scores, and then it gets faster as our combo you go. And then if you miss one, it becomes smaller and easier, but you lose after it becomes smaller by there. And
David's hella good.
you can have that idea.
Okay.
I mean, you have to code from the scratch because
Okay. Okay. So that's a pretty good idea actually. I like that a lot. All right.
So the sixth option is Steal David's game.
Okay. Yeah. So this we have
Oh, and then you
Steal
also
David's
have
game.
The first one is Steal Alan's game. You can also have
Okay.
this road simulator.
All right. Since due to the amount of time we have left, I think we're gonna vote now. So how about everybody gets 3 votes
What the?
on?
How about
Yeah, 3 votes for the first voting. What?
Okay, yeah.
We have to finish it up really fast. All right. Okay. So everybody, does everybody want to close their eyes, or should we do that? Okay. Everybody, close your eyes. Okay. How many people want to? Okay. You guys ready? Okay. 3 votes. 3 votes. How many people want to do the Gun High School Utility app? Okay. Okay. Got it. How about the Dodge Enemies / Objects game? Okay. How about the Catching Falling Objects game? Okay. How sorry. How about Flappy Bird rebranded? Okay. How about the trivia game? Okay. How about David's game? Everybody except David? What? Okay, I think okay, we're gonna eliminate the okay, you can all open your eyes. So we're gonna eliminate the trivia game, all these. So it's down to one of these 2. And this should be 6, but David didn't vote, so for that one.
What?
Oh, I don't know, whatever.
David, come on.
Okay.
Come on, David.
So now one or the
I
other.
can't steal my own game.
You offered this.
Okay, one or the other. Okay, everybody close their eyes.
How many can we vote for?
1, obviously. All right. How many people want to do the Gun High School Utility app? Okay. 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 How many people want to steal David's game? Okay. All right. So it looks like we're gonna do the Gun High School Utility app.
Why'd you go for the utility app? I saw you raise your hand. I know you raised your hand.
Hey, this is supposed to be a secret vote.
Okay. And so now we're gonna have. Wait, Alan. Can you? We have like 5 minutes left. So could you just give the demonstration of Git? Is that enough time?
I don't know. You wanna stay up with me?
Yeah. Sure.
Hey,
Just like go where you want to go.
like, do we just make a new project and like?
Oh yeah. Sure. You can do that.
Is
Just
there?
save it to my desktop. I have some-
Like, can you just make a like folder or whatever? I'll just,
Wait. Oh, here, just, wait, I'll do. Wait, nope. What the? Xcode. Start. Alright, we can just do page placed for a single computer. For now. This is just an example, right?
I think we don't have time. It's okay.
Okay, something for Git. Okay, on the desktop.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay. So, alright, we're gonna use the terminal, guys.
Yeah. Okay.
So you use the LS to look at what you have, and Zavi had, or like you go.
Okay, this is all on mine. Okay.
shoot.
Shoot.
We
Yeah,
should've-
that sucks. Okay, so he typed in ls desktop.
Yeah, and that shows you all the
files
files.
on the
Yeah,
desktop. Yeah.
and we're going to like something. What's it called?
Something for Git.
Oh, wait. Why do you use spaces?
Why do I use what?
Why do you use spaces? And to like go into
Oh,
a
yeah,
directory,
sure, sorry.
you use CD. It's like change directory. Is it that?
Oh no, it's like you do. Yeah, sorry, I shouldn't. For.
Oh my gosh. Bro.
Oh no, I don't remember how to. Okay. CD. Something. I thought
Just
that's
do
how
it
you
next
do
time.
it.
It's fine.
Okay. Maybe I can make a tutorial later since we're running out out of time.
GG.
Yeah, shit.
Should have thought this one through. Alright,
Okay. My bad. Alright. So we'll show you a tutorial later, but basically, what Git allows us to do is it allows multiple people to work on the same project. So, it's kind of like it's not like on the cloud, I guess, but it's like everybody can access the same file from Git and then work on it, and then they can upload it or they can push it. Is the terminology, push it back onto Git, and then you can like form different branches, like different versions of the project. So some people can do UI design, and some people can do the back-end coding, and that's basically how it works. So we'll show you a tutorial later, since that's pretty important. I'll put it on my YouTube channel, and I'll email it. But yeah, so that's basically the meeting. So thanks for attending. Yeah. All right. So yeah, so we're gonna build the Gun High School utility app. That's our final thing.
That's still pretty big.
Yeah, but I showed you all the features, right? All the plain features.
We have like our own features.
Yeah, we could if we want to. I mean, if anybody has any ideas, and then, so I also have the Facebook group. So I think, oopsies. So wait, okay, I should stop recording my screen. Oh, actually no, screw it. Whatever. Blah blah blah. Okay. So I'm gonna add Sam to the group, and then you're Mark, right? So do you have a Facebook or? Okay.
Whoa.
All right. Let's see if I can add you to the group because. Mark.
Well, I need to accept it.
Yeah. Right. I wanted to see if you can actually add people. Okay. I'll add you to the group a bit later. Sounds good. Okay. I'll put the link to the Facebook group.
Come on, I already took the test. It's pretty good.
To Facebook. Alright.
Oh,
Yeah.
I can only see one doing on college.
Nice.
See ya.
See you, dude. See you guys.